Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Ussunny S900 4K dash cam. That's pretty nice looking. So we got our mount on the top. We got what looks like the record button on the side. We got the menu navigation buttons on the bottom. And then on the left side we got the USB-C port, so that's good. And then we have the TF card slot. And that does come with a 32 GB card. It's nice that it's already installed like that. So to run the wire for the backup camera, you usually need to pry down that trim panel a little bit that's going around just above the door. And so this actually has a little plastic pry bar. So to prevent people from using things like screwdrivers and scratching everything up, you can just use this. So that's nice. We also have wire management clips, so they just stick on. And then we got two screen protectors. So that's cool. And here we have the mount. So we have an adhesive mount, so if we want to stick that directly to the windshield, we can do that. And then if we want something that we can easily remove, we have this suction cup mount. We just twist this to the right, and that will pull the suction cup in. So that will seal against the windshield. So good design there. And it looks like we do have some articulation, so we can loosen this up, get that angle that we need, depending on the angle of your windshield. And then this does rotate a little bit. And here we have power. So it comes with a cigarette adapter for power, so you just plug this into your cigarette socket, and it comes with your GPS sensor. And that all plugs into the one USB-C port. So pretty nice. And then lastly, we've got our backup camera. So it looks like this plugs in right here. Then you would run that wire to the back of the car. And this has mounting spots, so you can either use screws to screw that in, or it does come with 2 packs of double stick adhesive. So you can use the adhesive, or you can use these screws that are in these pouches. And this is the camera. So it looks pretty good. So you do have a full color instruction manual, so that's nice. So that's everything that it comes with. So let's just go ahead and mount this guy up, plug it in, and see how it looks.